According to trusted leaker at VHSSS_God, the Galaxy S26 Ultra prototype features just 3 rear lenses, but don't panic. Here's the rumored lineup. Camera with flash 200MP main sensor, likely an upgraded ISOCELL HP2 with advanced pixel structure. Globe with Meridian's 50MP ultra-wide high-detail wide-angle shots. Magnifying glass tilted left 200MP telephoto with 4x zoom, a game-changer, combining clarity and zoom power. No more 10x periscope or 3x zoom. Samsung may be using AI and sensor fusion to deliver pro-level results with fewer lenses. Battery beast mode, 5,500 to 6,000 mAh? Samsung's going big literally. Leaks suggest a new stacked battery design, with up to 6,000 mAh capacity being tested. That's a huge jump from the S25 Ultra's 5,000 mAh. And here's the kicker, silicon-carbon battery tech could be in play, offering more power without increasing size. Perfect for AI features, high-refresh displays, and long gaming sessions. Bye-bye built-in S Pen? To make space for the bigger battery, Samsung might ditch the S Pen slot altogether. Instead, they could adopt a magnetic attachment similar to Apple's iPads. This could lead to a sleeker design, better cooling, and maybe even upgraded speakers. Would you miss the built-in S Pen? Drop your thoughts below. Backhand index pointing down. Chipset split and power play. The chipset game continues. Exynos 2600 2nm in select markets. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3/8 Gen 4 Elite for the US, Korea, and possibly every S26 Ultra variant. Snapdragon dominance may continue, especially if Exynos yields remain low. More than just specs, new philosophy. Samsung's not just upgrading specs, they're rethinking the Ultra identity. Fewer lenses, smarter AI. Larger battery, thinner design. Efficiency over redundancy. This could signal a shift toward a refined, focused Ultra experience, moving beyond just adding more features. Rumored features recap. Sparkles display, slightly larger QHD+ AMOLED, 120Hz, Gorilla Glass armor. Camera front camera, punch hole stays, no underdisplay just yet. High voltage charging, up to 65W fast charging. Satellite antenna connectivity, satellite support incoming. Mobile phone software, ships with Android 16 and One UI 8. Droplet durability, rumored IP69 rating. Release date and final thoughts. Calendar expected launch, January-February 2026. Police Carlight whispers suggest a December 2025 reveal to beat the iPhone 17 Pro Max to market. This isn't just another upgrade, it might be a full-blown design reset for Samsung's Ultra series. Smarter cameras, bigger battery, and a cleaner experience.